fam, my lovely people, welcome back. It's Pamela here. You're seeing this face, yeah, for the very first time. You're highly welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, God bless you guys so much. My family, I love you guys so much. So on today's video, I'll be doing an updated version of no foundation makeup tutorial. So sit tight, grab your makeup tools. Let's do this together, okay? So guys, first of all, I started off by cleansing my skin and I'm using wipes for this. If you have micellar water or cotton pad, you can still use, and if you still have wipes, you can still use. Okay, just cleanse the face thoroughly. So that's what I did. After that, I went in to use a moisturizer, and this is Cetaphil moisturizer. Any good moisturizer is okay, and this Cetaphil moisturizer is quite affordable. Okay, so after applying it on your skin, massage properly. Guys, you can't go wrong with moisturizer. Okay, massage it into the skin properly. So after massaging the moisturizer into the skin properly, like take notes properly, then I went in to use my concealer. I used one shade lighter than my skin tone first. Guys, I hope you notice I did not apply primer here because I'm doing like no foundation makeup tutorial. I did not apply primer. It's my choice though, but you can still apply primer if you want. So I first started using a concealer, sorry, one shade lighter than my skin tone. So this is me applying it properly with my beauty blender damped. Beginners take note, okay? So after applying it, as you can see how it came out. So guys, next I went in to use a concealer 2 shade lighter than my skin tone, so you can see. So any concealer is okay. What I'm using is Ile Girl Pro concealer though, so but any concealer is okay for you, the one you can afford. If you can afford high end, fine. If you cannot afford high end and you can afford the one that's affordable, go for it, okay? So this is me blending out the concealer properly to avoid harsh lines and the rest of them, okay? So guys, I'm done blending out the concealer. So the next thing I did was to place my contour, and I'm using my hand for this. Beginners, you can use a flat brush to do this your contour, and when you are blending, you blend upwards, okay? For application of your contour, start from the beginning of your ear as the technique. It will guide you, okay? You blend from the beginning of your ear. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain, guys. So you blend properly and you make sure there is no harsh lines, okay, as you can see. So guys, next thing to do is setting the face. So what I'm using is satchel butter setting powder, and for setting, you press into the skin layer by layer. What I mean by layer is when you pick a product with your beauty blender, you place it on the face, and after that you go again and place. So what they call it is build up, so you don't go on packing excess products on your face, okay? So this is the outcome. So the next thing is using a powder to set my entire face. For powder, for setting your entire face, please use powder that is your shade to avoid excess product, to avoid you looking like masquerade, okay? Use your shade so that it can tone down. Even if there are excess products on your face, can tone it down. Do you get? So I'm using a darker powder now to do my contour, powder contour, okay? So guys, next thing to do is apply my powder blush, okay? So please, when you pick a product, dust off excess before applying it on your face, so it will not be much, okay? Don't just pick a product and place on your face immediately. Please dust off excess, okay, to avoid too much product. And the remaining product on my brush, I applied on the tip of my nose, okay? So guys, next thing to do is to contour my nose, okay? This, what I'm doing is powder contour. I didn't do cream contour here, okay? What I did was just powder contour. Okay, please don't shade. When you pick a product, you build up too. Okay, so moving on to the brows now. I use a spoolie to brush my brows first, then moving on to using hair wax to place my brows in order. You can use soap, you can use brow thinner for this. So this is me making sure that my brows lap well, so when I'm going to line or draw with my pencil, it will be easier for me to do. Okay, so next thing, I used a certain powder to set it. Yes, you have to set it because it's wet. Yeah, let's say it sounds like it's wet, so you have to set it. And this is me lining my brows. Please, when lining your brows, don't shade. Follow the actual line of your eyebrow and draw your line. Okay, and put strokes. I always teach about strokes. Add strokes when drawing your eyebrows, and focus more on your brow bone when doing your concealer. Okay, so this is me going to do my concealer now. I'm focusing more on the brow bones. And guys, please, you don't need to pack products. And for your brows, use 1 shade lighter than your skin tone. Don't use 2 shade lighter. Don't use 3 shade lighter. Please use 1 shade lighter than your skin tone. And after applying, I use a blending brush to blend in the concealer. Okay, to avoid harsh lines too. So this is me setting, using a powder for my eyeshadow, guys. I don't even want a colored something because I doing no foundation makeup tutorial. Okay, so this is me blending out to avoid harsh lines. Okay, so guys, the next thing I went on to do is use mascara to brush my lashes and the lower lashes too. That's what I did. I brushed it out. I didn't fix lashes, guys. It's optional though. If you want, you fix your lashes. If you don't want, you leave it. So moving on to lining my lips, I used a pencil to line my lips, then used a, if you have been watching my videos, you know that I always use one particular lip palette for my lips. Okay, so you actually see me with my lip palette here on this video. So this is me making sure that I lined my lips very properly. Okay, so this is my lip palette, guys. Yeah, so I'm trying to use mix colors together for something that I actually wanted or want to create though. Yes, so I think I went on with a light pink shade. So if you are looking for a good tutorial for ombre lip, I have a good makeup tutorial video on my channel, so I will link it somewhere in the description box so that you can go and watch it, guys. Support your girl, subscribe to my channel, always share my videos, guys. I'm grateful. I'm seeing everything. I appreciate you guys' efforts. I'm happy about it, so I can't thank you guys enough. So still on the lips, I'm trying to make everything blend together. It must not be lip palettes that you will use, or you can buy all the single lipstick and the rest. Okay, so next I went in to spray my face, and this is the wonderful look that we've created. Our no foundation makeup tutorial is actually looking a bit natural. Yes, I won't lie. You can rock this to your office, work, school, anything. I hope you enjoy this, and it will even take you time. Yes, don't take you time to do. I hope you enjoy my video. Support your girl, like, comment, share my videos, guys. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.